Hello friends, now let us discuss about the concept of sets. So we all should know what is a set. So let us go through the definition. A set is a collection of things that have common or follow a rule. So what is a set? So for example, if we consider first 5 positive integers, first 5 positive integers. So let us consider this as an example. So I am going to define what is set using this example. So what are first 5 positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. These 5 are the first 5 positive integers, because we know what is integers, negative values, 0 and positive values. So the first 5 positive integers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what is a set? A set is a collection of things that have common or follow a rule. Okay, so now this is following a rule. What is the rule? First 5 positive integers. So here we know what is integers. Integers is denoted using Z. So integer contains negative values, zeros and positives. So for this example, these are the values which are suitable. So first 5 positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So if they ask first means positive, when they will ask positive integers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on up to infinity. So here the things in the set are called elements. So these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are called as elements. So the 1 is the element, 2 is the element, 3 is the element, 4 is the element, 5 is the element. According to set notation, so these are the elements. Now the set notation used braces. So if whenever we want to represent the given condition in form of the set, so we will use these braces. So for this question, if they ask set notation, then we are going to represent it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the set notation is represented using the braces, and here these are the 5 elements. 1 is the element, 2 is the element, 3, 4, 5 are the elements of the given set. So set notation used braces with elements separated by comma. So here every element is separated by commas. So if we don't use the comma, then it will become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which means 12,345. So this is the wrong way to represent the set. So you have to separate the elements using the comma. For example, if they ask the alphabets in the English, so you have to represent it as either it may be capital or small. You have to represent using braces. Open the brace, then A, B, C, D, E, F and so on, X, Y, Z. Until Z you have to write. Okay, so this is the way of representing the sets. So here this set consists of 5 elements, so which are separated using the commas, and it is represented using the braces. So mostly you have to remember the 3 points. The set is a collection of things that have the common or follow a rule. So here the rule is alphabets in English language. So that is the rule. For this, first 5 positive integers is a rule. And the second one is things in the set are called elements. Now here elements are A, B, C, D. So these all are the elements. So this set will contain 26 elements. And now this set will consist 5 elements. Okay, so the single values are called as elements. So these are, and the third one is set notation using braces. So these are the 3 points. One is the collection of things that has the common or follow a rule, And the second one is these things in the set are called as elements, and the third one is its notation is used braces. So means the set is represented using braces. Okay, so these are the three main points for the sets. So now let us have some examples. So first one is set of first 5 positive integer, and the second one is set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. So let us find these answers for these 1 and 2 questions. So now we are going to find, so that means we are going to write the sets for the given conditions. So for the first one, first 5 positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So but you have to remember that we will represent the set using braces, and the first one is you have to represent the set using braces, and second one is you have to place the elements in the set, and you have to separate the elements using comma. So definitely the set should satisfy the 3 conditions. Okay, 3 conditions it must and should satisfy. And for the second one, the answer is set of multiples of 5 which are more than 100 and less than 125. So you know 5 times are 50 and 520 is 100. So they are asking that more than 100 means you can consider all this. So up to you can consider here this is 125, 525 is 125. Okay, here that means you can get here, so here you can get 521s more than 100 and less than 125 means this should be considered into the set. So more than and less than, that means 105, 110, 115, 120. So these the 4 values that should be considered into this set, means 105, 110, 115, 120, because here he said that more than 100, so that we should not consider 100. He is saying that more than 100 you have to consider, and it should be also multiple of 5. So here 105 is the multiple of 5, 110 is the multiple of 5, 115 and as well as 120 are the multiples of 5. So you can consider 105, 110, 115, 120 but not 125, because he said that the set contains the element that should be less than 125. So these are the 4 elements. That means this set consists of 4 elements. So already we have done with 2 examples, and now let us go with the third one. So here they ask that set of first 5 cubic numbers. So what are first 5 cubic numbers? So let us do. So let us consider 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. So we can say that the values of these numbers are the first 5 cubic numbers. So we are going to represent this in form of a set. So 1 cube is nothing but 1, 2 cube is nothing but 8, and this is 27 and 64, and this is 125. So this is the answer for that. And let us consider the fourth one, set of digits in Ramanujan number. So to find the answer for this question, initially you have to know what is Ramanujan number. So Ramanujan number is 1729. So this number is called as Ramanujan number. So you have to write the set of digits in the Ramanujan number. So set of digits means 1 is a digit, 7 is a digit, 2 is a digit, 9 is a digit. So you have to represent those elements. So using comma 1, 7, 2, 9. And let us go with another example, set of first 2 square numbers greater than 8. So is it the 8 is a square number? No. So what we can say, So here set of first two square numbers greater than 8. So before 8, what is a square number? We can say 4 is a square number, which is 2 square. And 9 is also a square number, which is 3 square. And 16, which is 4 square. 5 square, which is 25. So here the question is set of first two square numbers greater than 8. So greater than 8 means 9, 16, 25, this is all. So here the set should be two square numbers. So the set will be 9 and 16. If they ask first 5 square numbers greater than 8 means you have to write 9, 16, 25, 36, 49. So like that. Okay, I think you got it. And set of types of teeth. Basically we have 32 teeth. So upper jaw consists of 16 and lower jaw consists of 16. So the types of teeth is, we are having incisors, molars, premolars. I hope you know about this concept. So we are having incisors and canines, molars, premolars. Okay, so the formula for the dental tooth is 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you.